One day a dog named Rusty heard a faint meow coming from a nearby alley. As he approached, he saw 3 tiny kittens huddled together, barely able to move. They were covered in mud, and their meows were weak and sluggish. Rusty could sense the urgency of the situation and knew he had to act fast. He carefully picked up the kittens in his mouth and carried them to a safe spot where he could keep an eye on them. The kittens were so weak that they could barely open their eyes, but Rusty knew he had to keep them warm and comfort them until they regained their strength. For days, Rusty watched over the kittens and brought them food and water. He could hear their meows becoming weaker and weaker, and he knew that he had to do something to save them. One day, while on a walk, Rusty caught a whiff of something familiar in the air. He followed his nose, and it led him to a nearby house. He could smell the scent of a mother cat, and he knew that he had to investigate further. Rusty carefully approached the house and peered through the window. There, he saw a beautiful mother cat, sound asleep on a comfortable bed. Rusty knew that this must be the mother of the 2 kittens he had been taking care of. He barked and scratched at the door, hoping that someone would hear him. Eventually, the door opened, and a surprised family looked down at Rusty. He led them to the spot where he had been keeping the kittens, and they were overjoyed to find their mother. The family was shocked to learn that their cat had given birth to kittens and had been separated from them for days. They thanked Rusty for his bravery and kindness and vowed to take care of the kittens from then on. The kittens were reunited with their mother, and they were soon back to full health thanks to Rusty's help. Rusty had saved the day and proved that even a stray dog could be a hero. The family was so grateful for Rusty's help that they took him in as their own, and he finally had a family and a home to call his own.